We are at a wheat farm in Shارجہ, which is preparing to welcome its first harvest.
What used to be a desert in Malaya has transformed into a green oasis within months.
As you can see, the farm is huge. It covers 400 hectares, which is about the size of 500 football pitches.
The first phase of the wheat project was launched in November when Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi, the ruler of Shárjah, spread seeds on the soil. The farm is expected to produce up to 1,700 tons of wheat in March.
We are expecting the harvesting date to be near 15 to 20 March. The wheat will be going to the local market here in Sharjah and UAE. We are expecting that the products will be available in market during maybe next May or June.
The project uses these mechanized sprinkler systems, which can be moved using motors. 3 state-of-the-art technologies help to monitor weather and soil conditions. First, sensors are used to measure the quantity of water in the soil. Secondly, this on-site weather station predicts temperatures, wind speed, and humidity conditions. If rain is forecast, the farm cuts down on irrigation to save water. And third, satellite technology is used to monitor the fields and check the state of crops.